Okay guys, today we're going to talk about weighing food. Okay, weighing food is really, really important, especially when you're first starting out with your diet. Okay, um, if we weigh our food, then we're going to be a lot more accurate in what we're doing. Okay, um, you know, bearing in mind, I'm not going to ask you to take your set of scales to a restaurant and stuff like that, and start taking the stuff off your plate and weighing it. Okay, that's just not realistic. But when you're at home, when it's convenient, get the scales out and weigh what you're actually having. Okay, a good example of this is breakfast cereals. Okay, if you look on the back of a packet of cornflakes, for example, you'll see that the serving size is 40 grams. Okay, if you actually weighed out that 40 grams, you'd see that it's kind of next to nothing. You'd feed a toddler probably more than 40 grams. Okay, so when you do your normal serving, okay, and you just scan the back of the cornflakes packet and say one serving, then you're probably having like four times the amount of calories that you're estimating. So with the underreporting video that we did last week with you know you can see why you're not going to get the results you want. So when it is possible, make sure that we're weighing and measuring everything that we're doing. Okay. Um, the reason why we ask you to weigh and measure as well is because obviously you're going to be more accurate, you're going to get better results. Okay, but you get better at estimating. Okay, once you've weighed, once you've weighed 100 grams of chicken breast a couple of times, you get a good idea of what it is. So when you're out, or when it's not possible to weigh, then you kind of, yeah, I know that's around 100 grams, give or take. Yeah, and you get better at knowing what's in what. Okay, and that's going to lead you on to further success down the road. Okay, because we're not asking you to weigh everything you eat for the rest of your life. Okay, that's not something it's gonna happen long term. Okay, but in this education period, when you're trying to, when you're learning about it, okay, it's important that we go through this process so we sort of know what's in what. Okay, and it's going to give you much more long term success than if it was me just giving you a diet plan and saying follow that. Okay.